Do you have a face? You should vlog. More importantly, do you have knowledge or an angle on the world that is missing from the conversation? Can you make coding fun? Can you make lifelike portraits made out of sponge cake? Do you want to teach people how to do better impressions? Can you show others how to have better relationships with their pets? If you have that, plus a face, then you should definitely vlog. Most of the time, people search for information in order to educate themselves. They're not ready to subscribe or buy from one of your links or even remember who you are. They're just looking for answers to questions that might be practical, technical, theoretical, or even profound. And if you can provide those answers in a vlog that is personal and a little entertaining, then you are now a little part of their world. Compare that experience to finding the answer elsewhere on Wikipedia or Quora. It's not that these are bad sources of information, quite the opposite, but they are not personal. Even though Quora is full of individuals giving opinions, they're less likely to subscribe or eventually buy something that they recommend from text alone, for example. Want to buy a Kit Kat off me? Too soon? Sorry. Let's say you're now a little part of someone's world because they've watched one vlog of yours. Don't get carried away in terms of the influence you realistically have at this point. I'm talking about a very small part of their world. But if you were to repeat this process of vlogging, then over time and consistently relevant subject matter, you are simply going to become a larger part of someone's world. With that comes trust, and that brings me back to your face. Humans are incredibly social animals, and research has shown that our brains are able to make decisions about trust in milliseconds when there's a face put in front of us. In fact, the amygdala, a region of the brain associated with decision making and emotion, is able to form an impression from a face in 33 milliseconds. So if you are only putting out your information by way of a blog or podcast, you're depriving people of that vital information that we so easily get in one-to-one conversation. So get used to vlogging and remember that those lovely humans that are watching are having all their little amygdalas lit up by your face. While you're here, why don't you check out this playlist all about vlogging? And here's our latest video. We put out 3 of these little blighters a week. Why don't you subscribe and watch all of them?
Well, that'll take ages.